But it is going to get pretty warm. We know that, but we'd also know that it could be a lot worse, and it will get a lot worse. This is our Clyde Warren Park camera right now. We do have clear skies. Temperatures are in the low 80s, so it's very tolerable outside right now. Not bad. Pretty typical summer morning. Southwest wind between about 5 to 10 miles an hour. Right now, we're at 80 degrees in McKinney, 80 in Decatur, 81 in Fort Worth, 80 degrees in Waxahachie. Satellite and radar looking very clear for most of us. We do have a little bit more cloud cover out to the west, associated with a couple of showers that have also been popping up, but they pretty much weaken. When they do form, they move off to the north and then they are no longer. So this morning, obviously starting out pretty quiet, but late this afternoon, some of the latest data still tries to bring in a few isolated showers and storms, but mainly north and west of the Metroplex. This is later this evening, and it's also trying to put out some new showers and storms out around Sulphur Springs and areas off to the east. But overnight tonight, everything does look pretty quiet. I think skies will be pretty clear. It's going to stay warm. It's going to stay muggy, and the wind's going to be pretty light. It's going to stay out of the south. Tomorrow afternoon, more of the same. I think we're going to see plenty of sunshine. Any chance of rain tomorrow, though, looks to hold off to the east. So it's just going to be pretty quiet. And the bigger headline is going to be how hot it's going to get. The ridge of high pressure to the northwest, it's going to slide over to Texas, and it's not going to move a whole lot. Now, eventually, I think by the end of next week, it will start to kind of retrograde back to the west, and that's going to give at least North Texas a small opportunity to get maybe a disturbance coming in out of the north that would allow for some rain chances. But rain chances aren't going to be all that great, at least for now. That could change. We are still several days out, and hopefully it does, because the temperatures, if we can get some rain in here, it would allow temperatures to drop at least some. Today, though, about 98 in Dallas, 95 in Denton, 96 degrees today in McKinney. Mostly sunny. Again, an isolated shower storm is possible, but I think that's mainly going to be north and west of the Metroplex. So again, only about a 10% coverage. Overnight tonight, warm and muggy, clear. Temperatures drop back down into the upper 70s. Tomorrow afternoon, though, looking at a high of 101, we could reach 104 by Wednesday, but with the humidity, it could feel closer to around 110 degrees. So we're talking about dangerous heat. We're going to have to take those necessary heat precautions. Limit your time outdoors. Stay hydrated. Check on your neighbors. Make sure everyone's good. We've got the chance of rain moving in by next weekend, but right now, of course, because we are still so far out, we do have a very low coverage of rain, only about a 10% coverage. With that being said, I went ahead and lowered the temperature for the next day down to 100. Obviously, that's not going to be cool by any means, but any little bit of rain that we can get could help temperatures some.